What is SpaceCRAFT? SpaceCRAFT is a platform designed to allow anyone to participate in collaborative space system and mission design. Specifically tailored to space environments, SpaceCRAFT allows for simulations to be built using user-set parameters for virtually any situation, with high-fidelity, mathematically accurate models of real physical systems. We can provide the tools for engineers and students to design and test their ideas as well as share them with others. Within the industry, it is often complicated to have different engineering teams collaborate on a single system. Different dependencies and performance between software platforms often requires that work be redone and simplified. Using several industry standard tools in parallel with the SpaceCRAFT backend, various simulation tools can be built and visualized. One example is using NASA's SPICE ephemeride data to visualize planet, moon, or other satellite positions. Using these libraries inside the SpaceCRAFT code allows us to use this data for other applications as well. Currently, astronauts do not get to train for a future mission until the physical habitat mockup is designed and built. On average, it takes multiple years in the industry to set up the right equipment, hardware, and software requirements for a competent simulation. Utilizing virtual reality technology, designs can be simulated and edited virtually rather than having to take the time and effort to build and rebuild something physically. Virtual reality is a growing field with great potential well beyond the entertainment industry. This technology allows for users to experience things in a way like no other. SpaceCRAFT takes advantage of this to create environments that are otherwise impossible to simulate, to create new opportunities for engineering design and collaboration. We provide users with the ability to simulate their own missions so that they can further develop their own tools, procedures, and ideas. This is an opportunity not often afforded in the space industry. With SpaceCRAFT, a user can create a scenario, experience it in VR, and feel almost as if they've been there before. Instead of waiting 2 or 3 years to start training for a mission, an astronaut could put on a VR headset and instantly run through a mission scenario even before it is fully defined. This gives the opportunity to iterate on design and save on cost during the development process. It should be noted that SpaceCRAFT is not limited to current technology, but only by the user's own ingenuity. The model's user interface and environment shown in these next shots are all part of a theoretical mission taking place on the exoplanet TRAPPIST-1d. Anyone from around the world can log in and connect, experience, and share a simulation with anyone they desire. SpaceCRAFT hopes to spur more creativity and innovation by providing a simple way to test, build, and create models for current and future space missions. As well as being a tool for industry to create and simulate space missions, SpaceCRAFT is also being developed as a learning tool for students. SpaceCRAFT has several capabilities that help you customize your virtual world. With SpaceCRAFT's Planet Design tool, you can create your own planets. With options to customize the size, terrain, sea level, and more, you can make anything from a harsh tundra planet or a world covered in water to mirror Earth herself. The Planet Editor allows you to view the planet from far away or up close to ensure that you've got it just right before you save your design. Once you have built your own planet, you can also build a spaceship to travel to it. The Modular Space Transport Vehicle, or MSTV Builder, is a tool that allows you to create an interplanetary spacecraft from standardized or custom-made parts. An informative menu system lets you choose the parts best suited for your ship, and if you make a mistake, it's easy to delete parts and rebuild them. Once you are happy with the design, you can board the ship and fly away. Your ingenuity will be tested during actual flight, since everything has to work just right to reach your destination. Once you've arrived at your planet, you can start building a habitat so you can live there. Using SpaceCRAFT's Modular Planetary Surface Habitat, or MPSH Builder, you can piece together a habitat for you or any astronaut to survive in. Whether it's an Earth-like world or a Mars-like desert, the habitat you build will provide shelter from the elements and a base of operations for your extraterrestrial explorers. The modular design of the builder allows for infinitely many designs, and for an additive design process where you can change and improve your design as you build. Habitat systems, just like spacecraft systems, include many critical components to perform necessary functions, such as generating power, creating oxygen, recycling water, communications, and tools for exploration such as spacesuits, robots, and rovers. All interior layouts and equipment can also be configured to support your mission. Advanced users can design their own components and write their own programs to control robots or other autonomous systems. With SpaceCRAFT, students from around the world can compete, collaborate, and share a virtual world of ideas for humanity's future in space. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you starside.